Okay, hello. This JavaScript exercise, we're going to be given a couple of objects, and then we're going to decide if in the second parameter everything exists in the first parameter. In other words, check if the predicate, the second argument, we'll call it pre for predicate, is truthy on all elements of a collection in the first argument. So, for example, we have, we can just return arguments, and we'll see what we get here. We have user, tinky winky, dipsy, la la poo. Gee, I wonder who that is. And then we have sex, male, male, female, female. And then the predicate is sex. So we want to make sure that it's true. Sex is true for all of the elements of a collection. That means that sex exists in each one of these objects within the collection of objects. So when I return arguments, I get one object that returns both the parameters of this function in their own separate indexes. That's what that is. So I can just say arguments this, and I get the first one. I can say arguments 1, I get the second one. Of course, I don't even need to do that. I can just go collection, tells me what it is. I can say pre, and it tells me what it is. But arguments, this is what we can do to see everything. So this is a simple one. I thought I was going to have to use arguments and then just iterate it through and check the condition. But I'm going to show you something that I didn't know about before I tackled this. And basically we just have to create an array, or I'm sorry, create a for loop. And then the condition is, oops, it says the length. And then we have collection gives us the first one. And if we have the index of the collection and then pre, it will tell us where these two things align. So we have the sexes of all of the items in that first collection. That's the predicate, and that's the collection. So if we have sex, if we have user, it'll tell us what the user is for each one. Tinky winky, dipsy, la la, poo, or po. I think it's po. I don't have any toddlers yet, so I don't know what the hell that's talking about. I know what it is, but I don't know those characters. All right, cool. So, all right, we have collection, and we console log this. What I didn't know about was this. I thought I had to do like true or false. Is it true or is it false? But this wasn't getting me anything, obviously, and I thought I would have to write an if statement and then go around it and see if it equals true, if it equals false. What do I do? But obviously it's false, 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 true, 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 true. If I took out like this one, okay, undefined, and if I said true, I mean, see, right, it wasn't working for me. It's either all false or all true. No. I want to return something where it's going to be, is sex there true? Is sex here false? Is sex here true? Is sex here true? Right? But instead, even though it's missing one from here, it's just telling me it's false for all of it. So it's just trying to iterate through all of it. And it doesn't matter if it's true or false, it's still going to say false, right? So it's not doing me any good. What I learned about was, I heard of this before, but I never knew how to use it. Now I get false, true, false, false, okay? So this will tell me, this gives me what I need to know. I want to keep this back to where it was before. Sex. How was it? I don't even remember. This is user dipsy sex male. God, what did I do? User dipsy. Put this on here. Oh, I forgot the colon. Okay. So I can say here, I can say if this, then return true. Otherwise, return false, and I got it. I mean, that's, god damn it, what did I do? Return, well, first of all, oh my god, is this, do I even have this? Let me hang on, let me get this back on track. It is the same. What am I missing? Token, collection, pre, oh, I see what's wrong here. Okay, either way I'm backwards. So return true and then get out of the code block and return false. So, okay, this says false and it's supposed to be true. I'm sorry, this is supposed to be false and true. And then we're good. We're in good shape. That's all we're trying to figure out. We can just complete it with with the for loop, and that's all.